Hello, on today's video, I want to discuss a question that I get a lot from a lot of attorneys and law firms, and they're wondering where should they be posting their content. Now, at Martindale Digital, we specialize in just working with attorneys and law firms. So this is a question we get from attorneys and law firms a lot. They're wondering, should I be posting on Facebook? Should I be posting on Instagram? Should I be posting on LinkedIn? Well, let's get into the presentation and I'll talk to you a little bit about this question. And by the end of the video, I will answer this question for you. So stick with me. With regard to the posting on social media and other content on wondering where do I need to be posting, as I discussed, there's obviously Facebook, there's LinkedIn, there's Google, there's YouTube, there's Twitter, there's new platforms coming out all the time. And oftentimes that is why we tell attorneys and law firms that they need guidance from a marketing expert, kind of like myself and Martindale Digital, that can help guide them through these changes. And there's not going to be a strategy that's always going to work from here till the end of time. But with regard to the question of where should I post, I often tell attorneys that they need to be focusing on a couple other questions first, which it's not about the where, it's about the who and the what. Now you may be asking yourself, okay, what are the who and the what? I would just want to know, hey, where should I be posting? Well, the who is, who do you represent? And more importantly, who is your ideal client? Meaning that if you could pick the client that you could represent 100% of the time, your perfect ideal client, that is the person that you need to know with minute detail and know the problems and issues that those ideal clients are looking to solve. And you, as the attorney, are the one who can help them solve it. So the first question that you have to get granular and in detail on is, who do I want to represent? The next question then is the what. What result do you do or do you get for those clients? What do you do that helps those ideal clients out? If you can get, so specific on the who and the what, then the where is not going to matter as much, because when you're posting content, you're going to be speaking directly to these ideal clients. And the who, these people that you're trying to identify and trying to appeal to, they're going to respond really no matter where you're going to be posting this. But with regard to the what and then the where, if you focus on the who and the what, it's going to lead you to the where, meaning you focus on that ideal client and the results that you get for them, the problems that you solve for them, and the where is not going to matter as much. But in order to talk a little bit about the where, I do want to tell you a little bit, just generally speaking. Obviously, YouTube and Facebook are very broad-based audiences. Most everybody has either on it or has been on it at some point. So you're going to be able to appeal. YouTube is much more search oriented, where you're posting videos, people who may be searching for things, answering questions, looking for problems to be solved. Facebook obviously is more, just social interaction. So you're going to be posting to try to, interrupt and reach out to those people who are scrolling through their feeds and understanding that they're scrolling. So you're going to have to grab their attention with some posts and some information that is different from what they're seeing on that post. But then with regard to Instagram, obviously it's a younger audience. It's a little bit more consumer based. So if you're appealing to individuals with regard to your legal practice, then that may be where you need to be posting. And then LinkedIn is a big one, obviously, in the B2B space or business to business space. So if you're a law firm that most of your clients are corporate based, businesses that you're trying to find, either for, setting up businesses, helping them with their corporate work that you're doing, maybe, transactional work. LinkedIn is probably going to be the best platform for you. So that may answer your where, but I want to bring you back and make sure you're focused on the who and the what first. Now, if you want to get started today, we at Martindale Digital, we focus on helping only attorneys and law firms with regard to their online marketing. And if you want to get started today, I'm going to post a link here for you. It's a link where you can go and get an ideal client workbook that will give you the questions that you need to be thinking about to really identify who your ideal client is. So then when you're speaking to them through your content and posting on either social media or blogs or articles, whatever you're creating as far as content goes, maybe videos even, you can speak directly to that ideal client, and your content is going to be much more effective. So go to this website that's here right down below my video. If you see, let me make myself a little bit bigger. So if you go right here to this link, you're going to be able to download that workbook, work through the questions that you should answer to be able to get granular about your ideal client. And then when you're posting that content, it's going to be much more effective, and it's going to draw that ideal client and attract them to you. Well, that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video on not the where, but the who and the what is where you need to be focused. That's all I have, and I hope we have you back tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and we'll see you then. Please comment or subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos. We're going to keep posting more content and more valuable information for you so that you can get your law firm marketing on track in the very near future. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a blessed day.